Hi, this is Haley with Turner Craft Co., and I'm going to show you how I attach a leather patch to a hat. Here we have our pre-cut leather patch, cut with our Ortur Laser Master 3. And our toothpicks, which will help us apply the glue to the patch. Our Post-it notes, which will hold our extra glue. Our E6000, which is the glue we will use on the patch. And packing tape, which helps us attach the patch to the hat. I like to size the packing tape along the hat. Some hat sizes are a little different. Now you want to line up your patch exactly as you would like it seen on your hat. And lay your packing tape across the leather patch, making sure to press down on the letters or the patch to make sure it sticks to the tape. Now flip the tape open so the sticky side is up. And now we will apply the glue. We're using E6000. I have found this to be the best glue that I have found. And when I apply it, I like to hold the glue upright, almost like you're drawing the glue on. If you angle it too far sideways, the glue will come out and it gets pretty messy. Put a little dab on your Post-it note. That'll be for the extra little pieces that you might have missed. Now use your toothpick and just glide it across the glue so that it's even and you don't have too much overspill. I also like to take my toothpick and roll it across the edges. That will help any of the extra frayed fabric from sticking out once it's applied to the hat. Just making sure to get each and every little corner. Once you have all the glue evenly distributed on all of the letters, you want to use the little extra glue on your Post-it note to get all of the little pieces that may not have any glue on them. So the dot of the I and all of the ends of the letters. And as you can see, when I grab the glue from the Post-it note, I roll my toothpick. That helps get the stringy off of that excess glue. E6000 can get pretty stringy. Now we're going to apply the patch. Line up your leather evenly and attach the tape to the hat while pressing on the letters. Make sure to get all of those letters, including the dot of the I. There it is. I like to take my hands, one in the back of the hat and one to press down on the leather, just to make it a little more snug and secure. Now we're going to peel back the tape. It takes a little while for E6000 to set up, so you want to peel back very slowly and carefully, holding on to the leather as you go. Don't forget about the eye. And there you go. Your patch has been attached. Thank you so much for watching.